Meaning of fledged.
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 Fledged. The word fledged means fully developed or matured, especially in reference to birds that have developed the feathers needed for flight. It can also be used more broadly to describe something that is fully developed or has reached a state of maturity. When something is fully fledged, it has achieved its full potential and is ready to take on new challenges or responsibilities. It signifies a level of readiness and competence that comes only with time and experience. Ultimately, being fledged is a mark of accomplishment and readiness for whatever comes next.